14th of October 2020. Here's Kuusamakuja Forstikes A in Peltolammi. It's near Multisilta, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland. And it was built in 1968 by ValmetSchlieren with sapphires casing. The serial number is VS1410. Will be inspected in 2021 next year. It's got 7 floors. You're not sure this is the one of those that are gonna be replaced, or?
I think not.
Ah. But it's still one of those.
Yeah.
It can get replaced anytime.
Yeah.
So we still have to film it. It's still from the late 1960s, not even the 1970s.
Yeah.
Amazing. But only the interior was refurbished, but still with nice wooden walls.
Yeah.
So this is still not so bad.
Yeah.
Actually, these walls are quite nice, I think.
Yeah.
But the original ones are the best ones.
Yeah.
The original ones were a bit darker, probably dark brown.
Yeah.
White door on the basement.
Yeah.
It's pretty normal to have white doors in the basement floor.
Inspektit vaan kiva inspektoida meitä, et vaan silloin.